Can you see yourself in the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid? Enjoy a view of this distinctively stylish Honda CR-V Hybrid, the eco-friendly compact crossover that prioritizes comfort, safety, versatility, and driving enjoyment while infusing every journey with a sense of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. Get the fuel efficiency you need and the style and versatility you want in this ingenious CR-V Hybrid. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.